Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Lilian from JingleMining. As we all know, JingleMining has been the global distributor of JASMINER during the past few years. Can you guess what goes behind the scenes of one of the world's top-tier ASIC Miner brands? In the next few seconds, you get an exclusive tour of JASMINER factory. Let's dive in!
The factory occupies a vast area surrounded by a relatively quiet environment. The working environment in the factory is meticulously maintained. The workers operate in a structured and disciplined manner, following clear procedures and protocols. Each task is performed with precision. Next, let's take a closer look at part of the chip production process. Chip screening. After the chips arrive at the factory, they are initially classified and rated through the socket platform. This step is key to ensuring the accuracy of chip performance evaluation. Chip sorting. Based on the hash rate level of each chip, the robotic arm, in combination with chip QR code data, automatically matches and integrates the chips to produce a unified product with optimized and balanced performance. SMT, Surface-Mounted Technology. The high-speed placement machine quickly places electronic components at designated locations on the PCB with precise positioning. The automated process increases production speed while ensuring assembly accuracy and stability. Reflow soldering. The solder paste is melted through a heating process, and electronic components are stably soldered to the PCB to ensure continuous connection of the circuit. AOI testing, automated optical inspection. Use high-definition cameras and advanced image analysis technology to automatically detect electronic assembly products. This technology can quickly detect component assembly errors and welding problems, ensuring high standards of product quality. Transfer into pieces. The produced or processed chips are transferred into transfer boxes to ensure that they can be safely and efficiently transported to the next production stage or storage area. The completed PCBA is the core component of JASMINER products and carries the functionality of the entire machine. Each PCBA chip has the Saloon and JASMINER logos on it. Finally, the assembly and inspection section. Machines here are calibrated with pinpoint accuracy. In the testing area, each miner goes through rigorous testing. In the warehouse, miners are carefully boxed and labeled, ready to be shipped to eager customers worldwide.
That's a quick peek inside JASMINER high-tech factory. Did you find this tour insightful? Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe for more exclusive content. I'm Lilian from JingleMining. See you next time!